Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And today I got a sore throat, so my voice will be a little different, and I may not talk too much. So this game, Pet Snowman Simulator, I forgot that I used to play this game like a year ago. And on my old account, I used to have 123 levels. Waivers, and I had like 400 kills, 400 something. Oh no. As you can see, I look like a hacker, yeah. But I'm not a real hacker. I just kind of like this avatar. I swear I'm not a hacker. I just like this avatar. So, in this game, I used to play it with Hamudi all the time. Before he got hacked. And if I talk too much, my voice is gonna hurt and my sore throat is gonna get worse. So I'm sorry if I don't talk too much. So I don't think I can give you a tutorial on this game, but I know another way to do it. And it's not just me chatting it to you, it's this. Yeah. Let me just click. There. Now read one by one. Start from the top to the bottom. I'll give you 5 minutes. No. I'll give you a few seconds, but you may need a pause to read before I scroll, cause I'm gonna scroll in 10 seconds. Okay, scroll. Okay, that's enough for the tutorial. I'm sorry I couldn't explain it like how I always do. Yeah. So I'll tell you the controls that what it said from the tutorial. So I only know how to explain for mobile, because on PC I may not know. On PC it may be like the same controls for mobile, but the walking controls are always going to be different. And yeah, I'll explain how to do these stuff from the tutorial. Okay, so if you want to collect snow, you have to find a big ball with a snowman belly with those 3 dots. They may be like very small coal or something, but you just click on that and then walk anywhere, and then if this is happening, it means you're good to go and you're collecting snow. So make your snowball as big as you can. Keep collecting, and then once it disappears and gives you snow, that means you got snow. And now, if you want to throw snowballs, if you see that big pile of snowballs, click on it and then throw it on these guys. You could just you could kill them purple candy canes, and you could sell candy canes for gold. Just try your best to hit these people, and I'll explain you how to get pets later. And yeah, if you want a sleigh, you're gonna need a lot of the silver gold. So once you've been grinding and you got a sleigh, press that white sleigh, and then press ride, and then just move, and then it will. If you move your direction. So hold on. I don't know how to explain this much, but if you want to move, just move anywhere and then stop moving, and then it would move by itself. And oh no, hold on, I'm losing fuel. And if you want to change directions, just move your screen. And if you see the fuel thing going down, it means you're losing fuel, and you need to find magic fuels and collect them. So right now I just got one. So if you don't know what these look like, they're just like colored balls all over the sky. And I've been watching Netflix and YouTube for a long time because I have a sore throat. And yeah, and now for all you guys have been waiting for, pets. So find this workshop. Once you find this workshop, go inside it, and then buy one of these if you have enough silver gold for them. Right now, I could buy this one. But I'm not going to buy it because that would be a bad idea. Because right now, the pets I have right now are good, but I just don't wanna buy pets. Now, I'll show you where you could buy sleighs. Sleighs are right here. You can't just only buy sleighs. You can buy more stuff than sleighs. You can buy these launchers. I never bought them, so I may not know how you use them. And these skins are for your snowman. These are snowman skins. You can buy any of them, and you can equip any you want. And these cost silver gold. Silver gold is just to buy goods. Silver, hold on, what was I gonna say? Sorry, background, it happened like 2 times last week. And hold on. Oh yeah. And what I was saying before. Silver gold are for goods, and gold is for upgrading your pet, and maybe more. You use silver to buy stuff, and you use gold to upgrade something. Like, look, you can upgrade these boys. It's gonna be the end of this video, just because I have a sore throat, and subscribe equals help for my sore throat to go away. And bye. Like and subscribe, please.